Okay, I am back at these units again. And since I was here last, it would appear that there has been a fire at this building. And as you can see, look what happened to the Rheem, the 2017 Rheem. Looks like it got burned up. Oh yeah. That's really bad damage. You can see the motor came off. Everything's all burned up. Well, no doubt this unit's gonna get replaced. But yeah, that is really bad damage. And then these other ones are off. This one was running without the fan last time. But yeah, that is pretty bad damage. Anyway, thanks for watching.